It's been a while, I want to make this episode, but God, I was dragged into work, it's crazy. Ciao a tutti, which means hello beautiful people in Italian. I spent a month in Naples to understand and learn the art of pizza and to explore the culinary secrets of Neapolitan cuisine. So as I wake up in the morning, I went to the school and we started to learn about the Neapolitan pizza. The dough is very essential and it has strict guidelines. The process of making the dough wasn't something easy. I had to knead the dough for 45 minutes non-stop. It took a lot of time to understand, it took a lot of time to master. What can I tell you more than that?
So everyone thinks making a pizza napolitana is very easy. Well, let me tell you something, guys. It's gonna take you a hell of a time to make a great pizza. Zid, what do you think?
What I think?
Yeah.
Hi, Steve. Hi, hello.
How you doing?
I'm preparing to fight against Mike Tyson.
While I was practicing, the three basic cheeses that we're using was Buffalo Mozzarella, which are made out of buffalo milk. Second, we're making flor di latte, which is made out of cattle milk. And the third, smoked Buffalo Mozzarella. That one, to be honest, it killed me. I was like working and every 2 minutes, I'm gonna taste it. I'm trying it. For honestly 1 month, every day I was trying. Hello guys, so I am with Raffaele and he's going to explain to us a bit about the process of mozzarella.
We start boiling the milk and we keep the temperature between 33 and 39 degrees. After that we put inside a calf rennet, which is an animal enzyme that we take from the calf bellies here. And after that we obtain the solid and the liquid part. The solid part is called the curd, the liquid part is the serum. So the curd is going to be basically the mozzarella, and we melt the curd thanks to the hot water. And we're going to obtain this stringy paste. The stringy paste, we got to know if it's good enough to make the mozzarella. Yeah. So we got to stretch and pull. If it breaks, that means that it's not good enough. If it doesn't break, that means that it's ready. After that, we put everything and we put inside the machine, and the machine is going to make the mozzarella. In a former time, it was made everything by hands. Now we do both the ways, by hands and by the machine. After that, we put all the kind of mozzarella inside the serum, and the serum is going to give to the mozzarella the right kind of taste.
Thank you, Raffaele, for this beautiful experience. Really appreciate it. Okay?
No problem.
My muscle in the back inside.
As per all the pizzaiolos, they say that the tomato San Marzano is the best tomato used for the pizza. And we came to see how they basically cultivate the tomatoes. That's beautiful. They are the most famous plum tomato that comes out of Italy. They grow in a rich volcanic soil at the base of Mount Vesuvius, which give them a sweet flavor, low acidity. They're very firm and deep red color, easy to remove the skin and very low in seeds. So the gardeners invited us to sit and have lunch with them. Some bruschetta, the tomatoes, the olive oil with garlic, prosciutto crudo.
It's a typical local ham.
What's the name of it?
In Italy is called, the common name is prosciutto crudo.
Oof, well, I really enjoyed the lunch and I believe that it is for the Italians, the San Marzano is really, really exceptional. I was told that the restaurant Don Michele is one of the oldest restaurants in Naples and they do the best pizza. So anyways, I went there and honestly the restaurant was full and I had to wait for 2 hours, but I hate waiting, to be honest. So I went to another restaurant called Brandy. Brandy is also one of the oldest restaurants in Naples. The restaurant decoration is very simple, very classic. It was like an old house and it's very traditional. I tried the pizza. And what about the pizza, I really loved it. And first of all, to understand more the Neapolitan pizza is the texture. The texture of the pizza is morbida, which is very soft. It's not crunchy, it's not stiff at all. You know, on the borders, it's well fermented, so it has some bubbles around it. There was 4 types of pizza that I discovered in Naples that they were basically everywhere. Pizza fritta, which is a fried pizza with some fillings inside. The pizzette, which is a very small type of pizza. The pizza portafoglio, which is a typical way of serving it. It looks like a wallet. And then you have the margherita pizza, which is iconic. In Naples, you can find lots of restaurants who make perfect pizza. It's infinite. There's too many restaurants. I wouldn't say you have to go to a specific restaurant to try it. In my personal opinions, you can try pizza Napolitana in lots of restaurants in Naples. You not specifically need to go to Don Michele or whatever. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and we'll see you very soon.